tomorrow is your paper 1 chemistry exam, and in this video I will be giving you the final tips in your preparation. All you need to do is like and subscribe to the channel because I'll be posting more preparatory videos. And before we begin, I got a question for you. Why do we use a polystyrene cup instead of a glass beaker when measuring a temperature change of a reaction? Comment down your answer in the comment section and let's see what you get. It's a 2-marker. So the first tip or step in your preparation for tomorrow, you gotta take out your specification, find the topics that are going to be questioned on that particular paper, tomorrow's paper 1, and go through each topic that will be on that paper and mark every single one that you don't feel so confident about. So essentially you want to find your weakest points and work on them. This step is super important because right now you don't have that much time to prepare. So you need to maximize your time efficiency and you need to be prepared for the whole exam. So make sure you cover all grounds by identifying your weakest points and your weakest topics. To get a list of all topics on each paper, all you need to do is search up on Google your exam board, then type in GCSE chemistry and find the specification that you need. So for example, just go on Google and if you're doing AQA chemistry, then type in AQA GCSE chemistry specification. Click on the official website and you're there. Then you'll be able to find all the topics that are relevant for a particular paper. For paper 1, for example, all the topics are there. Then just look through all the topics on that paper and identify the ones that you don't feel so confident on. Now, once you've got a list of all your weakest topics, what you now have to do is learn them. So look through your notes, books, or just search up all the information on that particular topic on Google. All the information is readily available and it's free. You just gotta look for it. Now, once you've covered the theory of the topic, you have to make sure that it stays solid in your brain. What you need to do in order to solidify all the knowledge is to practice. So find the topic questions and start practicing. By directly applying what you have learned onto the exam style questions and putting things into practice, your brain will remember it much stronger. All the theory and information that you have learned about the topic, if you put it to practice, your brain will remember it. That is called active recall, which has been scientifically proven to be one of the greatest ways to learn. So make sure you find the topic questions and start putting all your theory on all your knowledge onto the paper and put it into practice. Not only will it help you to retain all the information you've learned, but it will also make you more confident during the exam because you're prepared for the exact style of questions that will be asked tomorrow. I was also doing those snappy quizzes on BBC Bite Size. You can definitely find them online and I'll link down in the description below. Those quick and snappy quizzes are super useful, especially if you're traveling to school by bus and you have nothing else to do. You might as well go into BBC Bite Size and do a couple of chemistry tests. They're just multiple choice topic questions and they're super useful in your last minute preparation. And final tip, during the exam, of course, there is immense pressure on you and you might feel like you will be panicking. Now, stress is very counterproductive, and during the exam, which is a super important time for you, you need to have the clearest mind possible so that all the knowledge provided by your brain, you can clearly put it onto your exam paper. And in order to avoid stressing out, I recommend taking a deep breath in and then slowly breathe out. That actually tricks your brain into believing that you're calm, and as a result will remove any sense of panic that you might have. So if you do feel like you're about to start panicking in an exam tomorrow, do use that technique. Also, if you feel like you're wasting too much time on a particular question, if it's a 3-marker for example and you've been sitting there thinking about that question already for 6 minutes, just skip it and come back to it once you finish the whole paper and you still have the time to go through every single question plus think about this question. You don't want to waste time in an exam, so definitely if you do feel like you're stuck, just skip it. It's not worth losing out on so much time. So yeah guys, those are all the tips I have for you for your chemistry exam tomorrow. Good luck everyone tomorrow, and let's show those examiners how brilliant you guys are. You've been preparing this whole time for this final moment, and it's a moment for you to shine. So just give it your best shot and you'll be absolutely fine. All the examiners will be amazed at you for giving such brilliant answers. So try your best tomorrow and good luck. And if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It will help me a lot. Also, I think you might want to subscribe because I'll be posting more useful preparatory videos on your next upcoming exams. And you have quite a lot of exams left. So subscribe and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye everyone.